playful side. Gertrude has a playful side. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to play? Do you want to play? You're so silly girl. You're so silly little girl. Silly. Hi. Hi. What you doing? You want to play? You want belly rubs? Do you want belly rubs? Okay. Belly rubs it is. Oh, Rocco. Be quiet. You don't have to be all grumpy. She's just getting belly rubs. What? That's not itchy. Oh, you gonna reach for me? What's all that red on your belly? It looks red. I don't think it's really red though. It's just the camera. Oh, what a nice girl. Jojo. You what? What? Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. Are you hiding your face? Cleaning your eyes? No, that was Rocco and he's being grumpy. Rocco, don't be grumpy. You can't have everything your way. You have to share. What? What? You want attention? We're going to give you a bath and take off this awful thing here. Yeah. Look at you. Close up. Hi. Little close up. Okay. All right, Gertrude. We're probably boring people now. All right. Silly. Silly girl.